Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Microsoft OneDrive to your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Microsoft OneDrive to Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Attio CRM, they allow you to connect your Microsoft OneDrive to Attio CRM, so that way your documents can sync. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your Microsoft OneDrive, here on the top left, you're going to click on your workspace name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click here on account settings. Once you do that, you're going to see a menu here on the left, and you want to click on storage accounts. All right, what you want to do next is click on the Microsoft OneDrive logo. Okay, next, Microsoft's going to open up the browser, so you want to go ahead and log into your Microsoft account. Okay, next, Microsoft is going to ask if you're okay sharing this information with your Attio CRM. If so, click on this blue accept button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my Attio dashboard. So now my Microsoft OneDrive is connected, and if you want to confirm it, just do the same thing. Click up here on the top left, and then account settings, and then storage. And now you can see my Microsoft OneDrive is now connected to my Attio CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Microsoft OneDrive to your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.